Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. When sourcing products from Vietnam, it's important to consider local holidays that can disrupt the factory operations and delay shipments. Understanding these holidays in advance can help you plan better and avoid any unexpected surprises. Today we're gonna look at the major holidays in Vietnam and how they can affect manufacturing and shipping. Let's dive in. Tết, the Lunar New Year, is the most significant holiday in Vietnam. It's a time when families come together to celebrate, and factories across the country typically shut down for up to 2 weeks. This holiday not only impacts operations during the festival itself, but also in the weeks before and after, as suppliers prepare for the break and catch up afterward. For anyone sourcing from Vietnam, it's crucial to plan ahead during this time. Lead times can increase, shipping schedules can get delayed. Be sure to discuss production timelines well in advance to ensure your orders are not affected. Next up is National Day, celebrated on September the 2nd. While this holiday is just one day, many factories close for several days before and after the event, leading to a potential week-long shutdown in some cases. With many workers taking extended time off, production slows down and shipping may be delayed. Keep this in mind when planning your sourcing schedule, as order fulfillment and shipment timelines can be pushed back by several days. It's always a good idea to confirm production timelines well before this holiday. The Hung Kings Festival, celebrated in April, is another important national holiday in Vietnam. This holiday lasts for 2 days, and while not as long as Tết, this can still have a notable impact on factory operations. Many factories will either close or open with reduced hours during this time, especially in regions where the festival is more prominently observed. You should factor in these reduced workdays when planning production or shipments. In addition to these major national holidays, there are also various regional holidays across Vietnam. Certain provinces or cities may observe local festivals, which could impact factories' operations in those areas. While the Mid-Autumn Festival in September isn't as disruptive as the others, you may still encounter shorter workdays or fewer shipments during this time, especially in areas with large celebrations. Even though regional holidays may not lead to complete shutdowns, it's still important to ask your supplier about local observances and how they might affect your production and shipping schedules. Now that we have covered the major holidays, let's talk about how to manage these disruptions. First, always discuss production schedules with your factory well in advance of these holidays. You should also make sure you have a buffer in your lead times to account for possible delays, and if possible, consider working with multiple factories to spread the risk of a holiday shutdown. Additionally, keep in mind that holiday periods often lead to supply chain slowdowns, so make sure to check in regularly with your supplier for updates on their operations and production timelines. To summarize, the most impactful holidays on factory operations in Vietnam is Tết holiday, National Day, and the Hung King Festival. By planning ahead and communicating closely with your suppliers, you can avoid unexpected delays and disruptions in your sourcing process. Don't forget to consider regional holidays and ask your suppliers about any local observances that may affect operations. By staying proactive and informed, you can keep your supply chain running smoothly. Thanks for watching today's video. If you have any questions or want more tips on sourcing from Vietnam, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on how to navigate sourcing challenges. See you next time.